Hi, everybody. This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I just want to show you proof, okay? Because everybody wants proof, and I understand that. That's not that big of a deal. So I'm going to go through the trades that I have. I think I have 11 or 12 live trades running right now as we speak, and I'll show you the winners, losers, whatever it is, so that you can see that. Furthermore, as many of you know, we did launch a additional service for our paid members. That means after you've paid and joined, we actually have a secondary service for those people who elect to join that program, and that's our signal service. I'm going to show you the results of what happened this week. Totally amazing. First of all, live account. As you can see right here in the corner, this is a live account. One of the things that I get a lot of questions on, well, how do I know whether it's a live account or a demo account? And I told you guys that's when I get those questions, I know I'm dealing with a person who's new to trading or immature in the trading world, because realistically, what difference does that make? If a trade on the charts work out, then they worked out. And whether you personally have a live account or a demo really doesn't make a difference, does it? That's like saying, hey, you know what, LeBron James, you know, he make all his baskets in demo and he make all his baskets in real court time. Realistically, if he's not good at shooting basketball, he wouldn't make a shot whether he was in practice or whether he was on live. So what difference does it make? Either you're good or you're not. Same thing, but either way it goes. Let's go ahead, because I'm so excited to show you guys this week's results. Our team is killing it. Oh my God, the testimonies that we're getting from traders. I got one this morning from a person who said, man, I've been trading for a long time and I've never been in profit until now. I mean, these blessings are a blessing. So anyway, let's get to it, because I want to keep this short. Let me get this out of here. All right. So first of all, this is a live account. I did cut it off so that you can't see the whole thing, because, you know, people be trying to do some crazy stuff, believe it or not. So anyway, I'm starting with this one. This is, and keep your eyes right here so you can see the pair, and you can currently see, and I'm recording this live so that you can go back. And today is, October 11th, 2013. October 11th, 2013. So every single one of these trades, you can go back on your own charts and check it for yourself to verify whether these were real trades or not. And you can see it is a live account, live trades, live on the camera. All right, so here we go. And let's do some totals, by the way, so you can see what my total is. I didn't do that myself. So this is AJ. I call it AJ. AUD-JPY. We are currently seeing 167 pips on that one. All right, and then the other trade that I am in, had to write my little list down. I'm in this one here, and let's wait for the totals to pop up. So in that one, I am up, 39 pips. That's a little baby. All right, 39 pips on that one. All right, and then I'm also in AUD-JPY. I'm sorry, AUD-USD. Let's wait for that to pop up. I'm up 106 pips on that one. All right, and then CAD Swiss is the one I joined this morning. And let's see whether I'm up in pips or not on that one. Let's see. Hold on. Come on. I need you to show me. Show me. Okay, well, either way it goes, it's showing right here as well. Oh, there we go. I'm down 2.4 pips. Okay. 2.4. 2.4 down. Okay. All right. But I'm in this trade. All right. And let's look at Euro AUD. Let's see that one. All right, that one. Oh, actually, I thought I was. Sorry, not in that one. Let's see. Try Euro NZD. Okay, that's the one. All right, 146 pips. Euro NZD, 146. And then I'm also in Euro Swiss. All right, and that one, let's wait for it to populate. 98 pips. Okay, and then I'm also in Euro USD. And let's see what I'm at on that one, 282. And I'm also in GBP USD. Woohoo! 417. I'm also in GBP Swiss. And that one I am up 400. And let's move this over. Well, it says it right here as well. 485. Let's just run it to 485. And then I'm also in this one here. And let's wait for the pop-up. There's a free indicator, by the way, a free indicator. It's called Show Pips. Show Pips. SOHWPIP. Show Pip or Show Pips. One of those. It's in your market store. It's a free indicator. I do have it here on my Info Plus, which is also a free indicator, but I also like it here for you guys so you can quickly see the totals. 219 on that one. And NZD USD. Let's see where I'm at on that one. All right, 17 pips. And the last one, I'm in USD Swiss. And let's see where I'm at on that one. I'm up 4.7 pips, okay? All right, so to keep your eyes bubbling, I'll put it on the Grandmaster one. Which one was that? GBP Swiss. I like that one. So we'll keep your eyes bubbling on that one. That one was a sparker right there. Boy, that was a good one. So now let's go ahead and do the math. And I'll bring this on camera so that we can be looking at this together. And let's do my pip totals. 167 plus 39 plus 106 plus 89 minus, let's just round it off to 3 pips, minus 3 pips, okay, plus, let's see, 146 plus 282 plus 417 plus 485 plus 219 plus 17 plus 4.7. So let's just round off to 4. We'll leave it at 4. Okay, so what's my total? 1,968 pips. Okay, 1,968 pips. So that's mine's. Not a bad week. Well, actually, some of these were carryovers. If you watch my video from last week, some of these were carryovers from last week. Some are brand new ones. So combined together within a 2-week period, that's over close to 2,000 pips. Live on a live account, live on camera in front of you to see. Now, let me show you something even better. So we do have, because a lot of people were asking us, hey, do you guys have a signal service? And so we launched a signal service in last month in September. And we have a wonderful team who actually runs that for us, who sends out signals to the team every week and so forth. Beautiful family of traders, professional traders, six-figure earners in our team. And so let me show you, pull up what their results were so that you can see this for yourself. Okay, so here's the trades that were sent out on this week. And some of these were second entries. Again, so they had already made money on it. Then they sent out a second one. So these are the trades that they sent out. It was a total of 10 trades, and it was a total of 10 wins, no losses. Total pips for the signal service was 1,267 pips. Isn't that amazing? I just want to give a shout out to the team. You guys are doing a fabulous job supplying our subscribers for that. So let me kind of go over this real quick and I'll close out the video because I want to keep it short. I'm heading in for the weekend and I'm going on a date with my wife. So I don't want to think about charts, pips, or anything else. All right. So here's the deal. So for those who want to join, we do have the original triple arrow system, which you can purchase. But in there, once you join, because all you do is go to our website, supereasyforex.com. Then you'll be able to look through the information. If you like what you see, fine. Then you click on the join button. Once you join us, you'll be going through a number of steps. We have 5-step tutorial, and actually it's 4 steps. Step number 5, when you click on it, you will see that it's an optional service to join the signal group, so that if you want the signals, what you see, they're killing it, just absolutely killing it. So for those who are working full time, for those who say, you know what, I don't have time to look at the charts, for those who just want some signals, and what's unique about our signal service, we don't just send you signals, we also offer additional training classes where you can learn from the 6-figure earners who's supplying you with those signals. So that schedule is in the tutorials as well. So every step of the way, our whole philosophy is to create independent traders over time. So even with the triple arrow system, which is the original purchase you have to make to get in, we give you free classes several days a week. Then if you elect to join the signal service on top of that, not only will you get the signals, but you also will have a printout of the class schedules that are available from our 6-figure earners who will be teaching you their philosophy on looking at the markets. So you're getting not only the signals, but you're getting additional education. So every step of the way from the purchase to the finish line, education is what we're about to help teach you, not only what we're doing, but how we're doing it, so that you can learn to do it yourself and teach it to your family. All right. So again, come on in, just join us, supereasyforex.com. Just click on the join button. Like I said, once you purchase the system, go through the tutorials. In step 5 is where you'll see the option to join the signal service if you would like to do so. All right. One last question that always comes up with the purchase of the triple arrow system. Is it a annual renewal fee? No, it is not. It's just a one-time fee. The only thing that is on a monthly subscription is the signal service that I'm telling you about. If you choose to join that, that's an option. Okay. You don't have to do it, but I suggest, hey, why not? As we say, earn while you learn. Okay. That was 1,200 free pips you missed out on this week alone. So again, that's a subscription service, but the original purchase of the triple arrow system and the free education that goes with that, our weekly classes, no, it's just a one-time cost. Okay. So have a great weekend. I hope you had a great trading week. If you didn't, you already know what you need to do. Join Super Easy Forex. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Have a great weekend and spend time with your family. Don't neglect your family. Some of you guys, you spend the whole weekend on the charts, spending no time with your family. Don't make that mistake. Go spend time with your family. Okay. They need your attention. That's what I'm about to do as well. Bye.